Hey guys, so today I'm filming a cash video. I'm just sitting on my bed, and as some of you know, I just got back from London. I was in London for almost 4 months. Yeah, I think so. I'm not very good with numbers, but yeah, I was gone for a long time. So I got a lot of PR packages piled up at my house, at my America house. So I wanted to show you guys what I got, and I went live on Instagram and asked you guys if this would be a good idea, because I know some people think this is like bragging and stuff like that. So I really wanted to ask you guys and make sure you guys were fine with it, and a lot of you guys said yes. So this is what we're going to be doing today, and I'm going to show you all the brands and all the products that I got while I was gone. So first things first, I didn't get a lot of clothes because all the clothes that I got on PR I would get delivered in London. So I got this one delivered here, and it's literally so beautiful. So it's a denim jacket, right? This denim jacket, it's from Olivia Hope. This is a medium, and her Instagram is My Life as Olivia Hope. She makes custom jackets. So this is a denim jacket, but then you turn it around. Turn around for a surprise. She literally does this herself. I'm literally shocked. So I told her like what to put and where to put it. It's a customized jacket, and it's so beautiful. I'm literally in love with it. You guys know that I'm Mexican, so we La Virgen Maria, it's like one of our saints, and we all love her and appreciate her, and the fact that she is in the back of my jacket, it's amazing because I literally love her, and it's so beautiful, and I feel like it represents me so well because of like La Virgen and the roses, the red roses. You guys know I would literally die for red roses. So yes, this is such an amazing gift. Thank you, Olivia Hope, so much. Make sure you guys go check her page out. She's so talented. She does all this herself, and this is super good quality. But yes, it has some rips at the front, and then it has some rips at the back, and then it has some rips like by the pockets, which is so cute. I have like 5 distressed denim jackets. I'm literally in love with them, but this is by far my favorite one. Thank you, Olivia Hope, so much. Okay, and then I got sent this from Too Faced. They sent me every color of their Peach Perfect foundation. I actually tried it today. This is what I'm wearing right now. I really liked it. I feel like it wouldn't be my everyday though, because it's a medium coverage, and you guys know I love my full coverage, but I feel like this is really good for people that don't really like full coverage, and if you're trying to go for like a light look, it's really good. It's a really good foundation, don't get me wrong. It smells so good. You guys know all the products from Too Faced smell so good. But yes, thank you Too Faced so much. I'm in the color, what color am I on? I'm in the color beige, warm beige. It's literally my perfect color. I didn't even have to like test other ones. I just saw the box, and I just went like this, and I was like, yeah, this is my color. And I grabbed it, and actually it was. But yes, thank you, Too Faced, so much. I, of course, will not be using... Of course, I'm not going to be using every single color because, of course, like, some of them are too dark for me, some of them are too light. Make sure that you like this video and that you are subscribed, and comment down below what your shade will be. Just go onto toofaced.com and try to look for your shades, and I will pick the winners and I will send them right over to you, because it's a really good foundation, and it will be very selfish of me to keep the ones that aren't even my color. So yes. Then another makeup product is from Deck of Scarlet. This is a makeup palette. Oh, it's the makeup palette and a lip gloss. Let's see the makeup palette. This is the presentation. It's a cute little box. And this is Kim's palette. As you can tell, she's so cute. But yes, this is the palette. Let's see it. I love like it's like so soft. Okay, so it has 2 lip colors. It has a highlighter, a blush, and it has 3 I'm saying it's a transition color, and then it's probably a crease color, then a lip color. This looks so pretty. Oh my god, it is so pretty. It's like a pink gold coral. Oh my god, how do I do this? I'm like Kim Kardashian. I can't even swatch. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really pretty. I'm never doing that again. I literally suck. Kim, you did a very, very good job. Deck of Scarlet, you did a very, very good job. Now let's try the lip gloss. The name is Love Spell. Okay, now let's swatch it on another part of my hand so I don't have to like do like whatever. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at this. It's probably not even focusing. It's none of this is probably focusing. You guys are probably just like, why are you even doing this? But it's so pretty. I cannot wait to use it. Let me know if you guys want to see a look on this, like this whole palette and the lip thingy, because it's honestly so pretty and I'm ready for it. And I haven't done makeup tutorials in a long time. Okay, this card says, Michelle, enjoy our Deck of Scarlet palette. Can't wait to see your Scarlet looks. Thank you, Deck of Scarlet, for this palette. It's very, very beautiful. You guys did a very great job. Okay, moving on. This was kind of random, but I got a brush from Artis. It was literally just one brush, like legit one brush. And it's like a flat brush. I will use this for my nose contour, you know, like you just go like that. And it's really good. I love Artis brushes. I have quite a few of them and they're amazing. They're amazing, literally. Like you can tell the difference by, you know, there's like the knockoff like Artis brushes. You can definitely tell the difference. So if you want to invest in good brushes, I'd say go for Artis brushes. I got some Lily lashes and I'm so excited. I was so excited about these. They slid into my DMs on Instagram and they were like, hey, we would like to send you some stuff. And I was honestly so excited. I remember when I first started with makeup, I was saving up to buy Miami lashes because I wanted a pair so bad and I had to save up for like a very long time and I never even ended up buying them. But then they actually sent me 2 pairs of Miami lashes. They sent me yeah, the Miami lashes, and then I have them on right now. So this is what they look like. They are so beautiful. They're so pretty. But yes, I got I'm wearing Miami lashes right now, and then they sent me another pair of Miami lashes, and then they sent me the Doha lashes. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but yeah, these are it. And then they sent me, these ones don't have a name. Huh. Well, these, oh, Layla. They sent me the ones in Layla or Lila. These are very pretty. I love, you guys know I literally cannot live without false lashes. Like, I feel like once you put them on, like, you can't go back to, like, just mascara. Well, at least I can't. And then they sent me the Dorothy Wang, like, little collection. It's 2 pairs of lashes and they're very pretty. I don't know if it has the names. So this is the daytime. These are the daytime lashes and then these are the nighttime lashes. You can tell like the daytimes are more natural, but they're both beautiful and I cannot wait to wear them. I love the Miami lashes. This is my first time wearing them and I'm like... Another one that I'm so excited about. So Laura Mercier sent me a package and they sent me their Laura Mercier loose setting powder. Yes, then they sent me their loose powder and then they sent me the Extremes Neutral eyeshadow palette. Let me show you guys. The cover is like leather. It's like snake skin, it feels like. And you open it and it's very neutral colors. It comes with a mirror. But yes, it's very neutral colors. They're very pretty, kind of like everyday eye palette for, yeah, like day looks. And we have the foundation primer. I heard that this is really good. I'm so excited to use it. They also sent me a foundation. It's the Flawless Fusion Longwear Ultra Longwear Foundation, and it's in the color 3W2 Golden. And then they sent me the Brow Dimension Fiber Infused Color Gel. It's like a brow gel, so I'm excited to use that too. And then, oh my god, this was my favorite, literally favorite thing ever. I've never seen anything more beautiful in my life. I'm so dramatic, but this is the Laura Mercier Face Illuminator and Addiction. Okay, look at this. Like, look at this. It's like a sea of like golden, like, I don't even know. It's so pretty. Like, let's put it on. So this is my Morphe M510 brush. Let's see. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. And then another thing, I'm like so excited about every single one of these packages. I'm like so attached to this like package because they so this brand, they're called Mexicrate. Their Instagram is @Mexicrate, and they have a website which is www.mexicrate.com. So they are a candy brand, and they sent me a bunch of candy, like Mexican candy. So they sent me all this candy. I'm so grateful for it because I was in London for so long and I didn't have any resources to get to Mexican candy for a very long time. And you know, I need my Mexican candy because I'm Mexican. So they sent me a Pau Pau. I look at this and I remember the commercial. I literally used to take these to kindergarten and like elementary school every day. And it's so cute. It's such like a childhood memory. I'm gonna drink it right now. I saw this tweet and it was like kids that instead of taking this off and like just punched a hole in the aluminum are in jail now. And honestly, like, I wouldn't doubt if they are, because who the hell does that? Okay, now I know why they punched a hole instead of taking this off. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, then next on we have these ones that I literally ate all the time when I lived in Mexico, and I've never know what they're called. I've never actually like taken the wrapper and read it. Wow, okay, they're called Vagabundo. Now I see why. Because it looks like a little, you know, in cartoons, whenever like people like run away and they put like a pole with a blanket, and they put all their stuff in the blanket and they wrap it to the pole. It's kind of like that, you see? Look, so this is chili and it's attached to the lollies. And then they sent me Crazy Fresa. These are like little strawberries. I just remember how my friend Zane said strawberry. He's British and he says strawberry.
Hola, señorita.
Those are big ass strawberries.
They're big strawberries, isn't it?
It's so cute. But yeah, these are strawberries and they're covered in chili like everything else. Thank you so much, Mexicrate, for all this. It's literally so good. Like, I haven't seen like a lot of these candy in a long time, and these all just like bring me back so many memories of whenever I was in school and I would have like, I would go buy like pica fresas and stuff like that for like 50 cents at school. Such good memories. Thank you so much. This is from Algenist, and they always send the cutest packages. So they sent the product, which is this one. This is an algornic acid and retinol. It's a serum. It says Elevate Advanced Retinol Serum. It's vegan, and I heard that it's like amazing. So I'm really excited to use it. I love skincare. I have a whole drawer full of skincare. Thank you, Algenist, so much. Like always. You guys know that I love you guys. So moving on, of course, my freaking favorite, Becca. Okay, I literally would die for Becca. They sent me their beautiful lip gloss collection. They're called Glow Gloss collection. I'm actually wearing this one right now. This is the rose gold one. It's a chocolate, dahlia, rose gold, foxglove, opal, snapdragon, champagne cream, tiger lily, rose quartz, and camellia. They are beautiful. I don't even have to wear like lip liner or lipstick under because they're so pigmented. They're so pretty. They're such like high shine gloss, and they're not sticky at all. So yes, thank you, Becca, so much. You guys know that I love you guys, and I've been so grateful ever since I got on Becca's PR. Like, it was literally like a dream come true. We're moving to Pixie. Pixie always sends the biggest packages. So this is the Glow Get Them Gorgeous package, and it comes with in total 4 highlighters, but every thingy has 2. On the other side, we have Liquid Fairy Lights, ultra sparkling liquid eyeshadow with 3D effect to wear solo or on top of any eye look. Pixie, you're doing amazing, sweetie. Then lastly, this is literally the biggest package I've ever received and like most heaviest one. So this is from CoverGirl, and it's the True Blend Matte Made Foundation. So I wish I could like proper show it. So this is, it comes with a mirror, and then they literally sent shit. They sent 40 foundations with 4 primers. Can you believe that? Like, look at this. I'm also going to be giving away some of these. Okay, so I'm going to be giving away some of the Too Faced ones. So if you want the Too Faced, you have to comment you say Too Faced and then your shade. And then if you want the CoverGirl one, you put CoverGirl and then your shade of CoverGirl. But yeah, just comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on notifications because YouTube has been playing us all, and it won't notify you whenever I post a video. Thank you so much, CoverGirl, for all this. You guys are literally the best. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything I got while I was gone. Also, thank you so much for all the brands that decide to work with me. You guys are literally amazing. It's such a dream to work with the brands that I work right now. Again, disclaimer, this wasn't to brag or anything like that. I see a lot of people doing this, and I just thought it'd be a good idea for a video content. And also I decided to ask you guys, and you guys said yes. You guys said that you guys wanted it. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to win one of the foundations. Also, make sure to comment your shade so I can send it right over to you. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you guys so much for watching.